Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play RT in Brawl Stars. RT is a fascinating chromatic brawler with a distinctive playstyle. His main attack is quite unique. It splits into two separate projectiles after hitting an enemy, allowing for versatile damage. Furthermore, his super ability lets him detach his legs, transforming them into a stationary turret that deals consistent damage to nearby foes within a 5-tile radius. This mechanic truly sets him apart. To master RT's main attack, focus on hitting your targets directly. This ensures the initial impact damage, followed by the split projectiles. These two projectiles can either hit the same enemy again for massive burst damage or spread out to hit multiple opponents, providing excellent area control. Learning to time the split is crucial for consistently maximizing your damage output against agile brawlers. RT's super ability is a game changer for controlling the battlefield. Deploy his detached legs strategically to create a stationary turret that deals consistent damage to any enemy within its range. This super can effectively block enemy movement, establish defensive positions, or even secure objectives. Remember, after detaching his legs, RT's main body gains a noticeable speed boost, allowing for quick repositioning. RT has two powerful gadgets and 2-star powers that enhance his abilities. The inline gadget marks an enemy, causing them to take 25% more damage from all sources. System Crash allows him to instantly teleport to his detached legs. For star powers, Hack increases his legs' damage by 30%, while Quick Reload speeds up his reload by 50% after using his super. Combine these for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.